Hey everyone, welcome. Melissa Metcalf-Leroy here. Welcome to the new series, LakeSide Grilling. We're so happy that you're here with us today in our outdoor kitchen. So we are quickly approaching boating season, and one of the recipes that we're going to be doing for you today is actually a breakfast recipe. So if you are like me and my family, we love to entertain when we're at the lake, and we have guests quite frequently. So many of those guests, as you know, some are early risers and some stay up late, and then of course rise late in the morning. So what do you do for breakfast for them? You don't want to simply throw a bowl of cereal at them. So what we love to do is we love to have our guests make their own individual omelet on the grill. So let me show you what we have here prepared for you today. So we love using these little ceramic grilling dishes. To that, what we're going to actually start out with is some ghee. So if you're not familiar with ghee, ghee is clarified butter. It's wonderful for when you're at the lake. It does not need to be refrigerated or kept in a cooler. You can actually keep it on your countertop. So we're going to put a little bit that we've already pre-melted in here in the ceramic dish. And this is just going to help everything not to stick. We're going to put a little bit in here, and I got a little too much, but that's okay. We've got another one here, so we're going to pour a little bit in here. We're just going to make sure that we get all of the ceramic dish coated. What we also have is we have a little omelet buffet station set up here. And the nice thing about this is you can leave this out for several hours. So as guests wake up in the morning, they can make their own omelet. So you're just going to keep the grill on low temperature, so when they are ready, they can just raise that to the temperature to cook it really quickly. And this is a great healthy breakfast for anyone. So we're going to start with our glass jar here. We're going to add an egg to start. I'm just going to make a couple here so you can see the modifications in the variety is really wonderful for your guest. So we've got a little bit of yogurt, and if you have never tried Greek yogurt in your eggs, let me tell you, it's one of the best. I love doing this. It's going to make those eggs bake up really nice and fluffy. We have some bacon here, and then we've got a wide assortment of different ingredients. We have some tomatoes left over from last night's salad, some spinach. We have some everything bagel gluten-free here from yesterday's breakfast. And then we have assorted cheeses here from the cheese plate from last night's appetizers, some green onions. So if you actually had some grilled steak or grilled chicken left from dinner the night before, you could easily chop that up and allow your guests to put that in their baked omelet or grilled omelet for their preference. So I'm just going to add a little bit of tomato in here. I'm going to add some bacon. And I'm going to add some cheese to this. A lot of bacon, actually. Some cheese. And I'm going to top it off with a little bit of green onion. Now for the bagel, if you wanted more of a casserole style omelet, that's when you're going to add the bagel. So we're going to mix this all up with a fork. Takes just a moment. You could also add another egg if you're like, you know, I'm really hungry this morning. I'm not sure that one egg is going to do it for me. You certainly can. We're going to make sure that we get all of the egg mixture into the ceramic dish here. Evenly coated. You could, at this point, we've got some Parmesan cheese here. You could just add a little bit on top. That's going to give it a nice brown flavor as it's grilling. We're going to go ahead and add this one right to the grill. And then we're going to go ahead and make another one. So I think for this one, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use a little bit of that bagel. So once again, we're going to start with an egg. We're going to add just a little bit of the Greek yogurt to the glass, to the mixture. That's going to add just a little bit more protein with that egg as well. So for this one, I'm going to mix it up just a little bit. I'm going to add a couple of pieces of that gluten-free bagel, a little bit of the spinach. I like to just rip mine just a little bit, so that way we don't have those big pieces of spinach. I'm going to use a little bit of mozzarella cheese, and I'm going to use a little bit of tomato here as well. All right, we're going to mix this up. We're going to pour this into the ceramic dish. We're going to get this on the grill And we're going to give this about, it depends upon your grill. So we've got this medium-high heat right now. It's going to take anywhere between 15 to 20 minutes. So make sure to join us in just a few. We'll show you the finished product. Hey everyone, welcome back. So we have the grill at about 350, which is medium high for this grill. It's been about 15 minutes and these are looking amazing. Look at this. So as you can see here, I'm going to grab the first one and bring it out for you. See how nice and hot and bubbly this one is? And you can see exactly what the Greek yogurt has done here. It's allowed those eggs to rise just enough to where this looks like, actually, instead of make your own grilled omelets, these look like actually make your own baked omelets, don't they? How wonderful they have risen to the occasion, and what a great way to start your day when you are visiting Lake Hartwell. I'd like to thank you so much for watching. Hope you continue and shoot us some ideas of what you would like to see in Lakeside Grilling. Hope you enjoy.